Ajubona ikiombe kamenyekanite buna Top Talent Agency ikubona gikoreta abugatani Gusii bale asensemeria ya Amerika nigobono banyara kurubosera kwabo gochia achiskuru meye bungeria machoge barabu county ya Kisii na bagona nsemeria ya barabu nigobono bate bura kirangiabo noko ne kibuna ngosera bale chisemyo muri kito nigobona arigani roboti rwa senchira yobo kirano joba maange
head, shoulders, knees,
Kisemi nakyo ekibungo kirabege koleta ugonchoreria ase obugima kolende obotakanigo bwabeire getango ekenene ase abana korwa nsense icho ya Kenya abo bali getikonyora kisemi Nigo yaba omuchengo monene ase skuru ya Mogonga Daystar Academy egotoka ime county ya Kisii ni skuru ya Manga PG Girls egotoka ime county ya Nyamira ekero baba gotariruna koegwa ogosira nekiombe kia Top Talent Agency ekiabage koleta amo ababwatani korwa asenseria ya America.
Facilitate that is very advantageous. So we're encouraging the local community leaders to not just worry about the bare minimums, and we want to help with those things, but to also continue to embrace technology. And that's why some of what we've done is even brought computers and laptops and started computer libraries so that you can have access to the education that the world does as on a whole.
Imeskuru ya Mogonga Daystar Academy nigababa kobwatoka ogosira kwebitabo amone bintu baraba gotumika asichisemi cy'abana ba ensemo ya Ben Mayanda oyobetega koroberia ogocha kwabo ase orogongo rwa Gusii nigo abagakogokera emereme y'ababere bagokora anemono aso kwagacha chindoche nagosira abana bakorwa ase chinka kitali kwenyara
Nanya tengo manya ngomera na David mwaka 2015 ikara wajete Kenya ne timu yende bagachali nyacheki gokonya asa abantu bali batari kwenyara igo wetereke kundi yake twanyale ko koroskindoje gokonya bara wanafunzi ne school fees muna mwigwate aba ngoru bale ki water tank ebitabu mune bale tasa bana lero nebintu binde binge banyande okora igona egikundi kyanyande gokonye community na ngoenda bale ngotara bale school universities colleges basomia abana igoro ebintu aho ngakibara nyare ko wekonyo bulma bwabo
Manga Girls PAG niho baba bakorwa ebitamba byo botenu egache ebintu binde baraba gotumeka asobogima bwabo imeskuru yoboraro omoro kyaline tiboyani korwa ase skuru ya Manga Girls PAG nigo abakogokera obosira okuya eskuru ye yabere konyora
donate sanitary towels that are helpful in the menstrual hygiene ya wasichana wetu nande bato ete tangie yemo ya machi ya 10,000 liters igotogo tebambia mano nande they're still sponsoring our girls ase ko bakanira school fees no ko bachi basche uniform na pocket money na shopping igera abana babaito babere skuru wa kuwe wanajua that they are loved even if not here by at large.
Abagani abanigo babagoteba nigo bwate ekerenga ekenene yokonya abakenya kwegendereria astisemi asengenjo nigo babere bakonyora niga abakenya babwate ebyegwa ebinene mono
future Kenya forever. So when I go back to the States, I'll be sharing that message and I'll be inviting more tourists to come and spend money for your economy.
Advice, cultivate their natural talents and find out how we can help support their education, build their confidence and any other aspects that we're able to do as individuals.
Gingo reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.